Hey guys, today I have to notch out a piece of 1x3 to fit flush against the table and against the inside of the webbing of this 6-inch association channel. I have it here lifted up so I can get it flat against the inside of the webbing here, but I need it flat against the table because of some decking. So what I did was lift it up a 1/2 inch with some scrap strap that I keep for things just like this. So I have it up 1/2 inch to stay above the flange there and the curve or the inside the corner there. So I'm going to use the square part of my combination square, but you can use any kind of square for this to get the first mark. But we're going to put it flat against the side of the 1x3. Then we're going to slide it on forward till it touches the flange. And right there on the side of the square is where the first mark will be for our first cut. So we'll put our mark here on the side of the 1x3, and I mess it up a little because I'm holding the camera, but I can see my initial mark there, so it's good enough. So this mark is where the notch will begin on the inside of the 1x3 there, and we have to copy the angle that's on the end to match the edge of the flange there. I'm going to take the protractor part of my combination square to transfer the line, but you can also use a angle finder or something like that. This is the kind of result we're looking for, a nice good fit up. So let's go.